Hello. Now I am going to tell about brown dwarfs. My name is Shlok. So today I am going to tell you about video 28 brown dwarfs. Stars are massive enough to fuse the hydrogen into helium. Crush it. Jupiter could be a star if it had more mass. If we dump more mass into it quickly, it can also have more mass. Jupiter, it could become a star. It could become a star actually. Don't say that Jupiter is a failed star. It's a successful planet actually. It has hydrogen. That's why it could become a star actually. If you take more mass into it, it will become a star. But if add more mass gases, it can just sit there, not become a star and die after that. Like a charcoal, darker it will become. And gas clouds like the sun. If you dump more and more mass, but we don't have only that much mass to put on Jupiter, it will be a star then. It will tug on the other planets, and the other planets and the sun will tug on it. Astronomers classify the stars by their temperatures. First, OBA, F, G, K, M. M was the coolest first. L. Then came the L dwarfs, which were cooler ones. T and Y then. T and Y are the stars classification where the brown dwarf where the brown dwarf start is where the T and Y classification. Brown dwarfs are dwarfs which are not L but T and Y classification. Their mass can be 65 times the Jupiter's mass. Actually, brown dwarfs can also not become the proper stars, because it's very cool and massive, but still. Then how can Jupiter become a star? It needs more and more mass, more than the brown dwarf also. To become a proper star, it needs to cross the L classification, the T or the Y classification also. But it hasn't crossed Y also. It has to cross in the mass the T classification. Why dwarfs are so cool actually. So cool. The brown dwarfs. Lithium is there in their atmosphere. Lithium is the second after hydrogen and helium. Actually, the third element in the periodic table. There was the first brown dwarf was found. The astronomers named it Tato 1. They were observing a nearby cluster and were trying to find the faintest star in the star cluster, and they found a very oddball brown tripod. It was a brown dwarf. They named it Tato 1. Then there was one more found, Gliesa 229b. Gliese 229b. It was even cooler, but there was methane found in its atmosphere. It can even break up. It's very delicate that it can break up in the very cold heat of the mild heat of the Tetowan's atmosphere. Actually, it's very delicate thing. Methane, actually. It was found in Gliese 229b atmosphere. Methane satellite one wide field infrared survey